The code W3239 on your Bobcat machine indicates that the ACS or AHC lift actuator is not in the neutral position. There are two usual culprits for this code: the lift actuator itself or the wiring in the system. Usually dealerships will immediately recommend that you install the new actuator, which is unfortunately quite expensive. And even though the failing actuators are actually the most common culprits for this error code, there are two things that you may try out to save some money. First of all, the easiest thing to do is to calibrate the actuators. The calibration process is super easy. Turn on the ignition, make sure the ACS switch is in hand mode, push the press to operate button, then grab both handles and move them inwards so that you could hold them with one hand. After that, turn off the ignition, turn it back on while still holding the handles, push the press to operate button and wait for 3 beeps. Now you can release the handles and turn on the machine. You will see the ACS light and you will get the 3224 code on the screen to confirm that the calibration is completed. This may help you solve the W3239 code. If this doesn't work, you need to get to the charge pump and locate the lift actuator. Then carefully inspect all the connections and make sure that the connectors don't have any corrosion on them. If everything looks good, your next step is to install the new actuator, calibrate it, and the problem will obviously disappear. But before that, I would ask a Bobcat mechanic to inspect the actuator and confirm its faulty, since the part is not cheap at all.